Planning a trip should feel exciting, but for millions of travelers, one small mistake turns a dream trip into stress, wasted money, or missed moments. One mistake can even stop your trip at the airport. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 10 silent travel mistakes that ruin trips and exactly how to avoid them. Mistake number 7 is the one most travelers regret the most, and almost nobody plans for it. Welcome to TravelMINJ, where we help you plan smarter, travel better, and stress less. Stay until the end for a Pro Traveler Tools checklist that can save you time, money, and headaches on every trip. Chapters are below if you need them, but watching in order gives you the full system. Let's start with a mistake almost everyone makes. Over-planning every hour. Filling every hour with activities sounds productive, until one delay collapses the entire day. Fatigue builds, stress rises, and the best moments? They never happen. Here's what actually works. Plan one main activity per day, and leave space for rest and surprises. This next one can stop your trip before it even begins. Many trips fail before they even start. Wrong visa, expired passport, and suddenly, the journey ends at the airport. The safer approach is simple. Check entry rules early and keep digital and offline copies. Preparation turns borders into a smooth welcome. Here's a mistake that quietly ruins schedules. Traffic, distances, delays, they add up fast. Experienced travelers do this instead. They always add buffer time, especially on travel days. Time is your best travel insurance. This one sounds smart, but usually isn't. The cheapest option often costs the most, in sleep, safety, and stress. A smarter choice is focusing on total value, not just price. Good rest fuels great travel days. Packing without strategy. Overpacking slows you down. Underpacking leaves you stuck. A simple rule makes packing easier. Pack layers, not bulk. Smart packing means more freedom. Skipping travel insurance, delays, illness, lost bags. Travel doesn't always go as planned. The good news? This one's easy to fix. Get travel insurance when you book. Coverage starts earlier, and peace of mind changes everything. Ignoring local culture. This is the mistake most travelers don't see coming. Small cultural mistakes can lead to awkward moments, or worse, disrespect. A little awareness goes a long way. Learn basic customs, follow local cues. Respect opens doors. No connectivity backup, no internet, no maps, no tickets. The smart move is having backups. An eSIM, offline maps, and a power bank. Backups keep you moving. Ignoring seasons and weather. The wrong season means the wrong experience. Planning around seasons changes everything. Research weather, events, and daylight hours. And the last mistake is about something deeper than planning. When you chase only photos and schedules, you miss the moment. Sometimes the best decision is slowing down. Capture memories, not just images. Let's recap. Flexibility, visas, time buffers, value over price, smart packing, travel insurance, local culture, connectivity backups, seasons, and being present. Before you go, here are a few pro traveler tools I personally never travel without. Offline maps, because getting lost with no internet is not an adventure. An eSIM, so you're connected the moment you land. Airport lounge access, especially during long layovers. A universal adapter, small item, big lifesaver. A luggage tracker, in case your bag decides to take a different trip. And a mini first aid kit, because small problems shouldn't ruin great days. Which travel mistake have you made before? Tell us in the comments. Your answer might save another traveler's trip. Subscribe to TravelMINJ for smarter travel tips, destination guides, and stress-free adventures. Your best trip starts before you leave. Stay tuned. Your next travel inspiration is just around the corner.